up, hoochies and hoochachos? I am some random YouTuber you know nothing about, yet we're here today. I like to collect random 2000s to late 90s collectibles and all kind of random things. So if that content sounds good to you, definitely like and subscribe, but no pressure here. Also, stick around later in the video. I have a new segment that I'd like to introduce to the channel. I'm excited. Today's video, I am going to do a brand new in-box unboxing of a 2006 first generation Zune, the white one. This is gonna be sick. Now, I know a lot of you guys remember the Zune MP3 player. I had the one with the little touchpad. I'll leave it somewhere over here on the screen. But yeah, I had that one, but the first generation, you know. First generation reminds me of when my stepbrother actually had one, and he had this exact one that we're unboxing too. So I think this is dope. Now, the release date of the Zune was actually November 14th of 2006. Retail price $249.99. Now, prior to the Zune actually releasing, they had its competitor, Apple, of course. I mean, they were dominating the MP3 field with the iPod Nano 2nd generation and the iPod Shuffle 2nd generation that both released in September of 2006, literally a month ahead. Between the iPod Nano and the Shuffle, the retail price was around $79.99 and $249.99, depending on the gigabytes. Do you guys remember that whole little Zune versus iPod rivalry thing going on that they had? Let's go ahead and unbox this. Let's go. All right, let's check it out. I'm excited. I don't know, after my last unboxing, something definitely broke on this. Okay, wait a minute. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. Hopefully it turns out all right. Okay. Wrapped nice and tight. Wow, look at this box. Dude. Let's go ahead and open it. I don't know if this is supposed to be white or cream colored, but it's definitely not white. Oh, got some more to go through. Good. Microsoft. I believe it's the cloth and the CD that actually comes with it. Whoa. So it looks like it comes with a booklet, Zune book. I remember this. You have to put this in the computer and I guess like set up the Zune store. Zune cloth. Oh, something else to go through. I didn't even sure nobody was getting in this. Jeez. Wow. Wow. It's crazy. Yo, take a look at this. Crazy. Plastic and everything on it. Wow. This seems a lot smaller than what I remember. headphones it comes with. Zune USB charger. The USB plug. Looks like that's the rest of the box. Let's turn this thing on. Let's see if it turns on. Alright, hopefully this don't blow my MacBook up. But, hey, it looks like we have to charge it first. Then come back to see if it'll turn on. It's old, so I don't know the battery condition of it. But yeah, let's give it a minute to charge and then we'll come back to this. Alright, so we are in action. We have music up here. Wow. I have not seen this in forever, yo. It's been a minute. Dude, it's been a minute. Okay, so we come back here, we have videos. Yeah, let's watch a FedEx commercial. I don't know what it's saying. I don't have my headphones in, but it's actually pretty good quality for what it is. I mean, today it's not all that great, but I mean, for what it is, it's very great quality. Great picture. Let's see, let's try the Energizer. I feel like it's great quality. It looks better in person. Let's go back home to pictures. Of course, the background, radio. Let me put my headphones in. Let's see how loud they get. Okay. I'm so used to the iPhone where I just want to touch the sides to turn it up. Only goes up to 20. Oh, it's kind of loud. Yeah, it's kind of loud. I can see the hype behind this. Community. People online. Message each other. Wow, I thought you were able to play games on here. Maybe it's the second generation that I'm thinking of. Maybe it's the second generation, I don't know. Personally, I think this is great quality for what it really was. It actually has very good quality. For it to be released in 2006, Microsoft, you did your thing, I will say. I can't wait to load this with some music. Comment down below, what music should I actually put on here? For some reason, every time I see this, I think of the Epiphany album from T-Pain. There's a lot of lost mixtapes out there, so hopefully I can catch some of them that I used to listen to and just put them on here just to keep them, you know?
Here we go, yo. Here we go, yo. So what's the scenario?
This is a segment I like to call What's the Scenario? Where I give you a scenario and you comment down below. Now, today's scenario is, say it's 2006. You're listening to your Zune or your MP3 player or your iPod, whatever you're listening to. What 3 songs do you think you were obsessing over around that time? For me, it was Mariah Carey's Don't Forget About Us. That is my shit. Then we have D4L, Laffy Taffy. I'm embarrassed. That was the shit back then though. 6th grade? Please. Then we have Chingy Pulling Me Back, which that was a dope song. I still love that song to this day. Yeah, comment down below what you were, what you think you was listening to and stuff. Yeah, this brings me to the end of the video. Now, if you guys like what you see, like and subscribe. And I will see you all next video. Oh, peace. 6th grade, please.